Keyboard shortcuts can sometimes provide a faster way to accomplish something on your computer or in a program. Let's go over what some of the most common Windows keyboard shortcuts are and what they do. Pressing the Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys at the same time opens what's called the Gina screen, so you can log out, change your password, or review the task manager. Holding down the Alt key and then pressing Tab will allow you to easily switch between open programs. Holding the Alt key and pressing F4 at the same time will close the active program. Pressing the F1 key will allow you to view the help information of the active program. Pressing the F2 key while you have a file selected will allow you to rename the file. Pressing the F5 key will refresh the current program window. Holding down the Shift key and pressing F5 in an internet browser will refresh the current website and ignore the cached content on your computer. This can sometimes help you see a website that's not displaying correctly. Pressing the Ctrl and A keys at the same time in a document will select all of the text in the document. Pressing the Ctrl and B keys at the same time will add the bold style to the selected text. Pressing them again will remove the bold style. Pressing the Ctrl and C keys at the same time will copy the selected item. Thanks for watching. Now you try it.